See included parts. Please verify that everything listed in the installation manual is included. Close the shutoff valve and drain water from the inner tank. Hold the trip lever for 2 minutes or until all the water is fully drained. Lift the tank seat cover and place it on top of the cloth in a secure area. Remove the drain valve unit. Do not remove the chain assembly on the manual lever side. Turn counterclockwise to release and pull upwards. Locate the chain. Attach the chain to the drain valve chain loop. Install the chain assembly clip by connecting it to the metal ring. Do not install it on the drain valve plastic side ring. Reattach drain valve by lowering into drain valve base. Confirm that the ribs, F22 and F32, are properly aligned. Lower and turn clockwise until F22 aligns with F32 rib on drain valve unit base. Make sure the two chains are not tangled. Align the 3 notches in F4 with the 3 tabs in D1. When attaching the 3 legs of the automatic toilet cleaning unit to the resin tank, ensure the snap fit connectors click into place to confirm a successful installation. After D1 is mounted, make sure that it cannot be removed even if it is pulled. After installation, please ensure that D2 and F4 are not tangled. Run the cable through the accessory notch on the back or side of the toilet tank, below the lid, and place towards the left side of the toilet bowl. Verify that the power cable is not pinched by the toilet tank lid. Use the included wire line for fishing the power cable up the T40 hole. Pass the wire line through the T40 hole and exit towards the back of the bowl. Loop the wire line around the power cable plug terminal. Then use it to guide the power cable through the back part of the tank bowl and exit through the T40 hole. Once the power cable is fished through the T40 hole, you may discard the wire.
Once the wire is discarded, proceed to connect the plug to the outlet on the rear right side of the washlet. Please review the washlet installation document included with the unit. Connect the washlet to the lid mounting bracket and verify it's set correctly.
The flush button assembly is not initially attached to the product's remote control. To remove the button cover, push down and out. Attach the corresponding flush button assembly. See manual for details. Flush mode settings. Press front wash button and plus sign button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Press minus sign button, plus sign button, and minus sign button in that order. The washlet seat will beep and flash twice. Press front wash button and plus sign button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Press rear wash button, minus sign button, and rear wash button again in that order. The washlet seat will beep and flash twice. The settings are now complete. Turn on the water shutoff valve and wait approximately 2 minutes or until the tank is full. Test the flush function by pressing the button on the remote control and confirming the toilet flushes.